All. Today our class is about how to draw diagrams in the exam point of view. How to draw diagrams in the examination. Okay, this is today our class. And before the class, I want to tell you one thing. Please share the video to your friends and make your friends to follow our classes and listen the classes carefully and go through the notes available in Instagram. To remember for long time, you should watch the video completely. Okay, and in the notes is related to the video. If you watch the video completely, then you can go through the notes and you can remember for long time. Okay, thank you. And now, how to draw the diagrams in the examination. Okay, now comes to the if for example, if the question is about upper end of humerus. If the question is about upper end of humerus, for example, if the question is about upper end of humerus, and draw the diagram of humerus at first. This is upper end of humerus. This is upper end of humerus. Okay, this is think that it is the upper end of humerus. And if you are writing about the humerus, first upper end of humerus, label the parts, draw a diagram and label the parts to what the matter belongs to. That means if we are writing about the head of humerus, draw the humerus diagram and label the parts only about head. Label only the part of head. Okay, and related to the head. This is anatomical neck. Anatomical neck is also related to the head, and label this one also. This is one diagram. This is one diagram. And write about the matter of head and relations to that head. That means anatomical neck and greater tubercle, so on, so on, so on. Next, in the second diagram, draw the same diagram. Draw the same diagram of upper end. This is humerus, and label if we are writing about the tubercle, greater tubercle and lesser tubercle of upper end, draw the same diagram and label the parts only of greater tubercle and lesser tubercle. Greater tubercle and lesser tubercle, and then write the matter of these greater tubercle and greater tubercle and lesser tubercle. It is laterally located. It is located at lateral side. It can see clearly on the anterior side. So on, so on, so on. Okay, this is the second diagram. Okay, this is the first one. This is the second one. And if we are writing about the dorsal surface of the upper end of humerus, draw the diagram. Of dorsal surface. Okay, draw the diagram of dorsal surface and write the parts of dorsal surface only what you are writing, the matter. Okay, this is third diagram. Next, if we are writing about the medial surface of the upper end, this is third diagram, this is fourth one. If we are writing about the medial side, this is medial side, right? So if we are writing about the medial side of the upper end of humerus, draw the diagram and label that, and that means, and in the diagram you denote the medial side of the diagram. Locate the medial side of the diagram and then write about the medial side of the upper end of humerus. This is fourth diagram. In the fifth diagram, okay, in the fifth diagram write about lateral end. And at the sixth diagram, write about superior end. At the seventh diagram, write about morphological neck, epiphyseal line, morphological neck, epiphyseal line, surgical neck, like that, and so on, so on, so on. If you follow this way, you can get more impression by the corrector of our, corrector of our paper. That means the professor who corrects our paper. You can get more impression and you can draw in easy way and you can label the parts in a very simple way, and you can draw many diagrams as much you can, and you can save the time as well, and you can write the parts in simple way. I mean, you can write the matter of that labeled parts in a simple way. Okay, the professor needs to indicate the answer, I mean to explain the answer in a diagrammatic way. The professor wants us to explain the answer in diagrammatic way. So if we follow this way, we can get more impression from the professor, and we can get some marks more than what we expect. Okay, all the best. Thank you all. Share the video to your friends, and tell them to follow us in the Instagram. Have a safe life. Thank you all.